Alright guys, it's Mr. Robinson. I want to talk to you about finding slope from 2 points. So from our previous lesson, lesson 10, we talked about if we had a graph and we had point like 1, 2, and we're going to point like 6, 8, that line there we could represent by making a triangle. And this triangle would be telling us that we're going 5 units to the right and 6 units up, right? And then when we did that, we'd say it was over a change in y, which was our rise, which in this case was 6, over our change in x, which was our run, which in this case was 5. Okay? And when you have an easy graph, that makes it really easy to complete that work. But we don't always have an easy graph. So let's take a look at something that's a little more complex. Like let's say problem number 2 on our worksheet that you're working on in class today. It gives us the coordinates 1 and negative 19, as well as coordinates negative 2 and negative 7. Now I don't know about you guys, but when I look at that, I'd be thinking that's kind of a pain to graph. I mean, 19 in the negative axis is going to be way over here. Seems like it'd be a big pain. Well, there's an easier way to do it. Remember, we're just looking at our change in y over our change in x, which is our rise over our run. So in this case, all I'm going to do is create an XY chart. And in that XY chart, I'm going to take my coordinates 1 and negative 19, and negative 2 and negative 7. And then all I'm going to do is say, how do I get from negative 19 to negative 7? Well, to get there, I have to add 9 to get to negative 10, and then I have to add 3 more to get to negative 7. So I'm adding 12 total. And to get from 1 to negative 2, I'm subtracting 3. So my change in y, I'm going to come and place right on top here as plus 12. And my change in x, which is this negative 3, I'm going to throw right here. So my slope would be 12 over negative 3. So for every single one of those problems, what I need you to do is show me your XY chart, identify the change in my y, and the change in the x, and then put the change in y over change in x. That's what I'm looking for on all those worksheets for those 8 problems that you're doing today. Good luck, best of luck to you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and go slay that assignment. Thank you.